as you can see, these are definitely shot and they need to be replaced. Or at least I'm going to replace this one. So to replace them, all you do is kind of pull off the side and they slowly come off, like so. I bought some replacement pads on Amazon for I think like $9. And I believe you can either put this back or not, but you see there are clips all around. You kind of have to get this little part here underneath the clip. It's a little tricky. It shouldn't be, but it is. You kind of hear them snap in. Snapping in. So that was a good snap. Alright. There you go. I should mention that I did end up changing the other one as well. It's just when I put them on, they didn't feel right, so I felt like I needed to change them both. But now they look great, and same exact procedures what I showed you earlier.